Chief host and Baba Olorire His Royal Majesty Baba Tajudeen Ajibola àti olórí wọn ọmọ kí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ìyálóde náà mú kí ẹ̀yìn náà honorable commissioners in the cabinet of the rest of the government àwọn alága especially àwọn alága ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ tó wà ní Ìbàdàn land ẹ jẹ́ n fi honorable Sikiru Sada kí ẹ̀yìn náà ẹ jẹ́ n fi bàbá Nureni Akabi ẹ jẹ́ fi kí gbogbo àwọn elders council aṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ meeting lọ́dọ̀ mi tó ni wọ́n yí o sọ fẹ́ pé òun fẹ́ fò sọ fẹ́ mọ́ bí. Other political functionaries nàìjíríà náà ààrẹ mùsùlùmí fún gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá Edo and Delta. Alhaji Daud Makanjara Abiola Leader Ofiyo President General CCII Barrister Ajeniyi Sulaiman Adewale Amoki ẹ̀yìn náà mo lè kí gbé ẹkú ìrìn àná ajọ lọ sí ibi tó ti ń dín àkàrà ni. Other leaders tí wọ́n wà ní olúbọ̀lẹ̀ council ní brother mi Dr. Sanusi solution Honorable Adegoke and then my other brother most distinguished Senator Femi Laleyi. Okay, you know, recognize him. Other leaders and members of various social clubs. Kò sí lè kí wá ṣe anything but tí months have been carried. But I promise the people of Oyo State, I will work for them till the last moment of the last day. So it's just going to be a very brief remarks, and then I'll have to dash off. You'll see Ijayi. The two books, tí Bàbá Ọba Abímbọ́lá Tajudeen Ajíbọ́lá tí wọ́n fi lọ́lẹ̀ lónìí, Ìbàdàn Hegemony àti Giant Strike, and also the film on Agbeni. What I can say is pé bàbá tó bí èmi lọ́mọ, wọ́n sọ ìtàn fún mi pé lúkò tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan lọ bó ṣe yẹ kó lọ fáwọn ni pé àtẹ́sà Alájídé ló yẹ káwọn wà, because ní time yẹn tí wọ́n expect l'Íbàdàn náà ni pé bí ká jẹ́ àwọn tó ń tẹran, ọ̀ká jẹ́ àwọn tí wọ́n máa ṣe jàgídíjàgan káàkiri. Wọ́n ti pẹ̀lú intervention destiny, and also for the fact that I need to mention this, because when this issue about how do we take certain decisions to go on, some people were encouraging me. Look, as a leader, you have to take your people lọ síbi tó yẹ kí wọ́n lọ ní, not ibi tí wọ́n rò pé yẹ káwọn lọ. You must be the compass. I was complaining to the Baba pé lóko gbogbo tí àwọn èèyàn wá ń ṣe yìí ó ti ń sún èmi. Kí ni náà sẹ́ni pé I should go back to history. In 1954, tí Baba Awólọ́wọ̀ tí wọ́n introduce free education, when they introduced the tax láti fund free education yẹn, he was blackmailed. Exactly the same thing tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Circular Road. And he even lost 1954 federal elections lórí ẹ̀. He lost the elections during the protest there, free education. But today, kí ló set Yoruba race apart from other races in Nigeria? Education. So the Baba said, even if this will be the end of your political career, do what you feel is right and proper for the people of the State. So why tí mo ṣe digress? Àwọn ìwé ó wà consistent pẹ̀lú search for knowledge and how a race bí wọ́n ṣe lè progress. Before now, our brothers were from the east. Àwọn ni wọ́n máa ń rògbé tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìwé. Ẹgbẹ́ ìsọ́gà orúkọ wọn gan, tó bá ti gbọ́ àríkàwé, àsíkìwé, ìbákùwé. Ẹgbẹ́ ìsọ́gà ìbádìwé ní Awólọ́wọ̀ kà. But today, ní Ìbàdàn land. Rántí bá a ṣe dé ọmọ wa ní ẹjọ́ ṣe. Ẹnìkan ló sọ pé ẹ̀yin Ìbàdàn ṣe bí nǹkan kankan ẹran lẹ́wọ́n tà. Àwọn awọ ẹ̀ tó kàwé láàrin wa àti ẹ̀dínkù náà ṣe. So ní ibi tí wọ́n ti ròyìn pé this is not our turf, to keep accurate records, to ensure that we enrich the knowledge base. Mr. Baka, you go into history, and tí ẹnìkan sọ mi mọ̀ bóyá bàbá kò tẹ̀ nínú speech wọn. When you are able to learn about history, then you make less mistakes facing the future. So bàbá ń tẹ́ ṣe lénìí is to ensure pé generations yet unborn, they will benefit from this. So I want to congratulate you. Congratulate Ibadan land. For this effort. And then we first go Baba to encourage some of us tí wọ́n ní story láti tell for people to learn and to enrich the knowledge base. Please don't shy away. Tí His Royal Majesty tí wọ́n bá lè at this age tí wọ́n sọ pé look, I will put pen to paper all the efforts to bring this up tí wọ́n ṣe mi rò pé ó yẹ kí ẹni ọ̀bọ̀ sí wà tàbá ní story jẹ́ new story to tell láti máa ṣe. So I will encourage gbogbo ọ̀tá ní story láti tell. Please make an effort. Let the next generation know what we're currently going through so that we can guide them. Màá fi àwọn chief launcher, chief host, màá jẹ́ kí màá fòwò sílẹ̀ náà ní tó lọ. Pé anything that you bá donate. I'm a public servant, the music. Ẹ̀yin times 10 ní ẹ láti donate times 10. Àbá tí mo bá donate pé times 10 ẹ sọ fún mi, mo mọ bí màá ṣe gẹ́ẹ̀tì wọn. Ẹ̀dí bá fẹ́ jẹ gómìnà nínú wọn. Tí ò bá donate ẹ̀kọ́ ní ẹ̀kọ́dẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bá donate jẹ gómìnà tó bá ti donate times 10 at least abẹ́rẹ́ sí ní máa ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n gbé mi ní igi wọ́rọ́kọ́ tó lè dáná ní sí. So màá launch ìwé pẹ̀lú 10 million naira. So aláàjì àti méjì ọdún lọ́dọ̀ bàbá àbí pọ́líṣì àwọn lénìí. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wá láti wá yẹ kábíyèsí sí ọlọ́wọ́ wà pẹ̀lú yìí ọlọ́wọ́ àdúró ti gbogbo wa. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Excellency. His Excellency and get the roots to the kábíyèsí, please. Organizers, don't get the reason of kábíyèsí. Nítorí pé gómìnà àti kábíyèsí ọ̀yà fọ́tò papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀yà. Organizers, please get the roots and flows to the kábíyèsí. Gómìnà bá wà yà fọ́tò. Thank you.